Hello students. Today we are going to go ahead and continue on with 14.1, growth and decay. And this is the second page, so just turn it over from your other paper. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in one of these, a couple of them. So identify the problem as growth or decay. Give the percent decrease or increase and the decay growth factor for each situation. So I think I'll start with number 4 over here. And it says, according to a person's pay stub, 27% of the person's income is taken in taxes. So is that going to be a growth or decay? Well, when I have taxes taken out of my pay stub, that's kind of a decay. And let's see if I can underline decay there. Okay, so that's a decay, but I would go ahead and have you circle it. Okay, so would it be a percent increase or decrease? Well, decay is always decrease. Okay, so and what's the percent decrease? Okay, what we do is we take 100 minus 27, and that gives you 73%. Okay, so again, it's a decay factor. And we convert that 73% to a decimal. And so that's 0.73. Okay. All right. I may need to get a worksheet for you because there's not too many problems here. And I want to make sure you guys get a lot of practice with that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and come over here and do number 5. A company posted 105% profit for the year. So is that a growth or decay? Well, if the company posted over 100% profit, I would say that's going to be a growth. So again, I'm going to go ahead and come over here and we're going to go growth. Okay. Now, is it a percent increase or decrease? Well, if it's a growth, then we've got to have an increase. Okay. And what is the increase? Again, we're going to take 105% and we're going to add 100% to that. Because if they have all of that profit, you still have 100% of your cost. So the total would be 205%. Okay. So again, it would be a growth factor. And then we switch this percent to decimal. So we go 2.05 is your growth factor. Okay. So I'm going to fill in a few parts of this table down here just so you can kind of understand a little bit more what's going on. If it's a percent increase of 45%, then the growth factor is going to be 1.45. So again, you're adding 100% to the percent increase. And then we switch it over to a decimal, okay? So if I have 200%, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 100% to that, so it'll be 300%, and then I'd change it to decimal form, and that would be 3, okay? So I'm going to let you fill in the rest of these parts. Let's look at a percent decrease. The first one is a 45% decrease. Remember down here, the two need to equal 100% for decreasing or decay. So if it's 45%, the decay factor, you would have to have 55% to get to 100%. So we convert that to decimal and it's 0.55. Okay. Let's see if we have 0.02 here. That's going to go ahead and mean, oh, I need 0.98 to make it to 1.00 or 100%. So then I say that's going to be a 98% percent decrease. Yes. Okay. All right. I think you can finish the rest of this. Go ahead, students. You rock.